Hey everybody, Hillary Driscoll Olds here, your Freeport Realtor. We are taking a quick look at Owl's Head Farms right now. You can see it is an absolutely gorgeous Florida day. The weather is about in the low 60s and the sun is shining, and you can see the beautiful blue skies behind me. Owl's Head Farms is a new subdivision. DR Horton built homes. They have multiple options for you in terms of floor plans. We're going to take a look at a couple of the floor plans, a couple of model homes that they have right now. The location of Owl's Head Farms is just about 3 miles north of the intersection of State Road 20 and Highway 331. And in that area, you're going to find all kinds of new development. The Publix is there. You've got lots of little chain restaurants. There's a ton of stuff coming up in the Freeport area. It is one of the most fastest growing cities in the state of Florida. So you don't want to miss out. If you're thinking about relocating, prices are phenomenal right now, especially for new construction. A lot of builders are offering some fantastic incentives. They're putting a lot of pressure on the resale market for people that have already purchased homes and they're wanting for resales. So you're getting the best deals you can possibly get for new construction. Let's check out the smallest floor plan that DR Horton has, but it's very functional because you can get 3, 4, or 5 bedrooms in this Cali home. Now we're going to take a look at one of DR Horton's express homes. This is the Cali Floor Plan. DR Horton offers 4 tiers of homes: the Express, which is the most affordable, and then you have Tier 1, Tier 2, and then Emerald. So this again is the Cali. Luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. You got a nice long hallway so people don't walk right into your living room, so you got some privacy there. You have 2 bedrooms up front. This is right to the right from the front door. And you also have a bathroom, drop-in tub shower, but you do have granite countertops, nice vanities, and here's the other bedroom. Then you have the laundry room, another nice sized bedroom. And then you get to the main living area. This is one of the most popular express floor plans, the Cali, that DR Horton offers. We'll swing around so you can take a nice look at the kitchen. It's nice and open, and that's one thing that a lot of people like, that it's not a shotgun plan, which is a big long rectangle, but it's a little bit offset. It's kind of an L shape, and people like that a lot. And it's open, so it feels a lot bigger. Master bedroom, primary bedroom, very good size. Easily put a king size bed in there. And then you've got the stand-up shower and the tub. And then you've got the toilet area and then a nice size closet. A lot of these homes, though, don't have a big backyard, so it's less maintenance, but there's really not enough room to put in your own pool. Another great thing I wanted to mention to you about Owl's Head Farms in Freeport, Florida, is that they have very low HOA fees. They're only $80 a month, and you are going to get this really cool lagoon-style pool, which is awesome, a fantastic playground. They are working on it right now, and it's all centrally located. It's not like you have to find the pool and the tennis court in one portion, and then you've got to go find the basketball court and the playgrounds on the other side of the subdivision. It's all in one place, and it's near the front of the subdivision. It's super convenient. It's going to be really awesome when they get it all built out. So like I said, it's going to be a really neat playground, basketball, pickleball, and then like I said, the lazy river pool. This is the Del Ray. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 21 square foot home, and it's listed right now at $438,900. The HOA fees are $80 a month, and with that you get a gorgeous pool. They're working on it right over there. It's going to be like a lagoon-style pool. It's got a really neat playground, basketball, and pickleball. So let's take a quick look inside. Right to the right, we've got a couple of bedrooms. Nice big windows. Luxury vinyl throughout. Nice size bathroom. Right to the left, you have the garage, which is the sales office right now. And then you've got the laundry room. And then you've got another bedroom over here. You have 9-foot ceilings. Walk around so you can see. This is a nice open concept. Recessed lighting. Quartz countertops. Soft close cabinets. Kind of walk around here so you can kind of see what it would be like standing in the kitchen and cooking or entertaining. And then you have nestled in this back corner, which is really nice. You've got the primary bedroom. This bedroom is huge. That's a king-size bed, and look at all the space that you have there. Now in this subdivision, the lots are typically not big enough. This is the primary bathroom. You have a his and hers closet or 2 closets. Nice big double vanity. And then you've got the stand-up shower. You can always change that out to tile because that's a drop-in right now. We'll go back out so you can take another quick look. Got a nice little covered patio. I'll screen it in for you if that's another little upgrade, if that's something that you want. I just love this nice open, light, bright floor plan. And then again, just like with the Cali, you've got the nice long hallway, which does give you some privacy. So when everybody's gathered, you're just kind of set back a little bit. But again, this is the Del Ray.